journey with her boyfriend. Her heart was warm because she loved creating memories with him. They planned a road trip to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Eager for a break from their stressful lives, they gathered their things and went off to see what was in store. The illustrious passenger princess made herself cozy, anticipating this opportunity to renew, replenish, and recenter. The drive through the winding roads and lush greenery was beautiful. Now, we have gone ahead and brought some stuff inside, but as you can see, we have a beautiful kitchen. In these moments, surrounded by the changing landscapes, she found herself reflecting on their relationship. Amid silence, she thought to herself, nature is kind of similar to a relationship. She drifted deeper. Well, nature is also evolving. Think about how the trees change with the seasons. They go through periods of growth, transformation, and sometimes even shedding those old leaves. Our relationship feels like that too. We grow, we adapt to changes, and sometimes we have to let go of old habits to make room for new experiences. Ooh, this is nice. You hear me? There are storms and challenges, but there's also beauty and resilience. Oh my God.
Yeah, this shit's falling out of the sky. Oh.
Yesterday when we first arrived, we ended up going to the water park. That was super fun. It was nice and hot. We weren't going to get off the road directly to go to the water park, but it's supposed to rain, and so we were like, it's 90 something degrees, let's go. So we got there about maybe 1 o'clock, maybe 1 or 2 o'clock. Did a lot of rides and then drove to find the Airbnb last night. After we got here, we showered, we changed, we left out to go to the drone show, the drone and fireworks show. That was really fun. And then we came back. It is treacherous coming up and down this mountain because it's so windy that it's damn near like you better be on your P's and Q's, your J's and G's, like dot your I's, cross your T's, because if you don't, you're in trouble. So now we're going to go grocery shopping, and then we're going to come back, have lunch, and do the roller coaster ride. So I did decide to do a little bit more today because birthday week. I'm trying not to be so basic.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want.
They filled their cart, enjoying the small town's charm and the simplicity of their task. It was moments like this, mundane yet special, that made their trip feel even more memorable. Jasmine kicked back on the couch, wrapped in a warm blanket, while Ed prepared a meal filled with love in the kitchen. Ed was a natural in the kitchen, and tonight he would be determined to prepare a special meal. He had spent the afternoon gathering fresh ingredients just to put his culinary skills to the test. The sizzle of the skillet and the tantalizing aroma of herbs and spices filled the cabin, creating a mouth-watering anticipation. The cabin, with its rustic charm and cozy warmth, seemed like a perfect reflection on their journey together. Just full of promise. Full of promise.
I agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me whether a man or woman, want it or you got it. It's a divine affection. Yeah. You can't live without it. Such a lover, girl. I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. You know this femininity. When I feel safe, when I feel heard, when I can trust you at your word, makes me feel so. I'm just a girl, ready to nurture you.
As Jasmine lounged comfortably, she watched Ed work with a mix of admiration and amusement. He was focused, a light sheen of sweat on his forehead as he carefully plated the dinner. The meal was delightful, hence why she always felt the need to work out.
And I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna. A real lover girl, I'll
the hair.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes. But I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy. But I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had ya. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were forever. But I guess you had other plans. I wish I'd known in advance that way. Maybe I could've guarded my heart, but now I'm just back at the start. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go.
Someone approached as the pair ate their lunch and
What y'all get that at?
Made it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's a jerk chicken and shrimp Philly cheesesteak. Jerk chicken and shrimp Philly sub.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That looks so
Thank you.
As they ate their meal, they watched the other visitors, wondering who would be paired in our raft.
It's a order on the first order. It's a choice.
Before leaving for home, they wanted to make one more stop. Jasmine reflected on how perfect the weekend had been, filled with delicious food, thrilling experiences, and the simple joy of being together. The day had been a reminder of the beauty of combining comfort and adventure, and she couldn't wait to see what the future held for them. The day had been a reminder of the beautiful combination of nature and relationships. As they drove off, Jasmine felt a deep sense of contentment. The journey had been more than a road trip. It had been a chance to reflect, to connect, and appreciate the way their relationship, like nature, was always evolving and growing. They were ready to make more memories together, knowing that every moment, whether grand or small, was a part of their shared journey in nature.
It's a whole, I do buddy.
Time to go home?
You know, time to see your sister.
Oh, time to see my sister, then time to go home. See my sister.